Tired of packaging headaches, leaky bags, inconsistent weights, or slow manual processes? Let's solve that. UNIONPACK brings you the industry's best packaging machines. Our full range of models are tailored to delivering professional end-to-end solutions that fit your exact needs. Watch our automation in action. Bag picking, bag opening, precise product filling, card scoop filing, and secure sealing, all in one seamless flow. Efficient production, consistent quality, and every bag's weight strictly meets standards. No more errors, no more delays. Ready to upgrade your feed packaging? Choose UNIONPACK, where precision meets productivity. Contact us.